In a quaint village, little Isabella eagerly awaited Three Kings' Day. As the evening approached, her family gathered around a festive table, placing shoes by the door for the wise kings. The three kings, adorned in regal robes, arrived with gifts. Isabella received a magical box filled with dreams. Intrigued, she listened to their wisdom about kindness and family. Inspired, Isabella shared her gifts with less fortunate children, discovering the joy of giving. The true magic of Three Kings' Day, she realized, lay in spreading love and happiness. Under the starry sky, Isabella embraced the spirit of the day, creating lasting memories with her family and the village. The magic of Three Kings' Day wasn't just in receiving gifts but in sharing kindness, making it a celebration of love and generosity for everyone.